Okay, hi everybody. Um, okay, well today I'm doing this video because I want to tell you something very big news. It's a huge kind of like big deal, sort of, okay? Well, you know, I really have something to tell you guys, but I don't know how to tell you. So I'll just show you, okay? So, let's see. Do you recognize these clothes? Have you ever seen me on this with videos? Like, probably seen me wearing this one in my videos. And here I have my things. Alright? Okay. Now, the reason that I'm showing you this is because, let me tell you why. I'm going to put it back here, and let me tell you why. Okay? The reason I'm telling you and showing you that, is because I'm going out of town. No, really. Oh my god, that's funny. Okay, no, but anyways, I am going out of town. I'm gonna like not be here for a couple of days, couple of weeks, basically. I'm going out of town. I don't want to tell you where because then you'll think something, I don't know. But I'm going out of town. I'm gonna go see some people out of here, of course. That's what out of town means, you know. So yeah, you know, so I'm going out of town and for a couple of days. That's why I showed you that. That's my suitcase. I just kind of like, I'm finished making it, you know, putting stuff in that I need. So yeah, I'm gonna be going out of town. I already got my ticket. Let me show you. Okay? Let me show you. Look. It's official. I am going out of town. So here's my ticket to show you that I am going out of town. Okay? Well, it's kind of like a receipt, I guess, but you know, that's the ticket showing that proof. This is the proof of, you know, the ticket, buying a ticket. Okay? So yeah, I am going out of town for a couple of days. I don't want to tell you where, but I am. And I won't be able to make videos for a couple of days. I know you guys won't mind that, because you never watched my videos in the first place. So, I'm just like, you know, I just wanted to let you know what was going on, because I haven't posted videos lately. That's because I've been getting ready for all this, and been making plans and whatever, you know. And calling people. Yeah, so for the first time ever, I'm not going to spend Christmas with my family. So this will be the first year ever that I won't be able to spending Christmas with my family. I'm going to go out, you know, but I just hope that the people here in my family has, you know, a good Christmas. I know they're going to like go to my aunt's house. They're going to go to my aunt's. They're going to go to Las Vegas. That's where one of my aunts lives. And they're going to go there for New Year's Eve. I know they're going to do that. But, for Christmas, I don't know what they're going to do. But for New Year's Eve, I know that they're going to go to my aunt's house and, you know, yeah, because she moved to Las Vegas, you know, so, yeah. But anyways, you know, so I am going out of town, like I'm telling you, keep telling you that. Yeah, I'm really happy, I'm very excited, you know, yeah, I got a call a couple of days ago, or a couple of, like, I think it was last month, you know, from somebody. It's like, oh, why don't you come over here, you know, we can have fun or whatever. I'm like, sure, let's go. So, yeah, you know, so this is, like, the week I'm going. I'm going to leave on Monday at 12 o'clock p.m. or a.m., whatever. But I'm going to go, and I'm going to have fun. Have a lot of fun over there. You know, so, yeah. This is, like I'm telling you, but this is, like, the first year ever I'm going to be spending it without my family here. I know that I am. You know? So, yeah, you know, I just hope that when people have fun here, you know, and they don't, you know, yeah, they don't miss me too much. I know that, you know. The other reason I'm going is to get away from all this drama, too, because, like I told you, you know, my mom and that's one problem, right? And then another problem is, well, you know, my ex, he's still, like, bragging, you know, whatever. But I already deleted him out of my messages, because I don't know if I told you before, but I did have him as my boyfriend, my ex-boyfriend. I don't know if I ever told you that I have an ex. I think I do. I think I did before, you know. Yeah, but I do, and then now we're just, like, not together anymore. I'm tired of his ass, you know. He's just playing around with my feelings. I don't want that, you know. So, I just wanted to get away from all this drama. I swear, I just need a break from all this. I swear I do. You know, so so I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna get away from all this drama, and you know, like I'm telling you, I already deleted him out of my phone. Well, yeah, my phone gets his pictures out of there, on the internet, everywhere. I have them like everywhere, but I already took them off everywhere. So yeah, but I'm planning to have a good time. I'm planning to just enjoy Christmas over there with my people, because it's gonna be people, it's like friends, basically. But you know, so I'm planning to, you know, have fun and get drunk and get wild. You know, so yeah, I'm just so fun. I'm just like so excited to go. You know, I am really, really happy I'm gonna get to go. I'm just so excited. You know, I'm gonna leave on Monday, so like I'm telling you, I just have one more day here, and then on Monday another day, but then I leave at 12. I don't know if it's 12 p.m. or 12 a.m. I think it's 12 p.m. or I don't know. Let me see. Because I still have the ticket here, of course, right? So, or proof of the ticket. I think it's a.m. because it has an A right here, so I think it's a.m. I think it is. So yeah. I think it's a.m. I have to leave in the a.m. so it's really late. You know, but yeah, I'm gonna have fun and just be there, and so I just hope you guys don't miss me too much. I know you guys won't miss me too much, because you really see my videos anyways. So yeah, but anyways, that's it. Bye. See you in January, because I'm gonna come back in January. Okay.